Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Let's be honest, everyone loves fries. But somehow, when we try to make them at home, they come out soggy, greasy, or just sad. You know that feeling. You pull them out thinking they'll be crispy, but they go limp the second you salt them. Today, I'm about to show you the one secret restaurants use to make their fries perfectly crispy every single time. It's not about expensive oil, or fancy equipment, or some secret spice blend. It's a simple cooking technique, one that completely transforms your fries. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make golden, crunchy, restaurant-quality fries right in your own kitchen. Alright, so first, why do homemade fries fail? When you throw raw potato sticks straight into hot oil, the outside cooks too fast, while the inside stays soft and steamy. The moisture trapped inside pushes against the crust, making your fries soggy from the inside out. Restaurants know this, and that's why they don't fry them just once. Here's the secret. You fry them twice. Yeah, double frying, that's it. That's the secret. But the magic is how you do it. First, let's get our potatoes ready. Go for russet potatoes. They're starchy and perfect for crispiness. Cut them into even sticks, around 1/4 inch thick. Now, this next step is important. Soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, if you have time. This pulls out extra starch, and that starch is the enemy of crispiness. After soaking, drain and pat them completely dry. If there's any water left, it'll make the oil splatter and ruin your texture. Now for the first fry. This is what restaurants call blanching. Heat your oil to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 160 degrees Celsius, and fry the potatoes in small batches for about 5 minutes. They'll look soft, pale, and not at all crispy, but that's exactly what you want. This first fry cooks the potatoes through and removes excess moisture from the inside. Take them out, let them cool, and here's another pro tip. Rest them for at least 15 minutes. Some restaurants even freeze them for a few minutes. That helps dry them out even more, and makes the second fry even better. Now comes the fun part, the second fry. Crank up your oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. Drop the fries back in for about 2 to 3 minutes, until they turn golden brown and irresistibly crispy. You'll literally see them transform right in front of your eyes. Once they're done, remove them, drain on paper towels, and season immediately while they're still hot, so the salt sticks perfectly. And there you go. That's it. The double fry method, the same technique used in restaurants and fast food chains all around the world. Now, if you want to take your fries to the next level, here are a few quick bonus tips. Use a neutral, high smoke point oil. Peanut oil, canola, or vegetable oil are great choices. If you like extra crunch, toss the fries lightly with a tablespoon of cornstarch before the second fry. And whatever you do, never overcrowd the pan. Too many fries at once will drop the oil temperature, and that's a one-way ticket to Soggyville. Alright, time for the taste test. Crispy sound. Oh yeah, that's the crunch you're looking for. Crispy on the outside, fluffy and soft inside, just like the fries you get at your favorite burger spot. And the best part, you can make them anytime, right at home, with just a little patience and one simple trick. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Share this with a fellow fry lover, and don't forget to subscribe for more real cooking secrets that actually work. Thanks for watching. Now go make yourself some crispy fries, and I'll see you in the next one.